Hello, Bobcats. This is Mr. Chambers. Hey, check out this shirt. Isn't it great? Teacher of Masked Superheroes. I love this shirt. This is awesome. I had to thank my wife. She bought this for me off of Facebook. So awesome shirt. And I believe that too. You guys are superheroes. Today, what I want to do is I want to teach you guys a dance. This is the kindergarten dance for Family Dance Night. That's going to be on October the 9th here at BME out on the Blacktop Social Distance Dance. And we do the chicken dance. So I'm going to do a little tutorial about that, do the dance, so you guys can practice this at home and be ready to go for October the 9th. So it goes like this. I'm going to put my hands here when it starts, and I'm going to go bop, 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 bop. Then I'm going under my arms, bop, 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 bop. And then I'm going to shake my butt, bop, 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 and then I'm going to clap. So it's da 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 bop, 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 da 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 bop, 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 bop. So that's what we're doing with the dance. So I'm going to start the music. Oh, and then there's another part. So there's an accordion part where you guys will be doing this is the accordion part, and what we're going to do on that part is we're going to skip around your distance circle. So you skip around your distance circle, and then you'll hear me go head, and when you hear that, you're going to start back up again, going here with your hands under your shoulders, shake your bottom, and then clap. Okay? I hope you got it. Let's try it out, see what happens. And that's the chicken dance. Good job, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that. This is the dance you can do. Practice this at home. Hope we'll send this over, remind, put it on YouTube for you so you can have it, and or put it in Canvas somewhere. And that's it. That is the chicken dance. I hope you enjoyed it. Practice it. This is Mr. C, Mr. Chambers. Miss you, love you. I am out.